What's up, traders? Starting today's video off with a little bit of a debate. I want to know, pickleball or tennis? What side of the net do you stand on? Apparently, a bunch of my followers are now like the biggest pickleball fans, and it's driving me nuts. Today, we're going to talk about the $850 win with 2 trades. I made money long. We're going to break that down. We're also going to talk about how I'm trading these 50K accounts. I'm trading with Top One Futures right now. These accounts are actually 50% off right now. If you go to toponefutures.com and use the code ASFX, that's going to save you 55%. It's the best instant funded deal in the game. You've got to take advantage of it. Today, you can see the market dumped, really. From market open here at 9:30, we sold off hard into that 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock hour. We then found a little bit of a bottom, bounced back into that New York VWAP, 6340 area. As we came back down, a lot of our people in the Black Shirt Club made money short here, also here. But that wasn't me today. Today, I made money long. So let me show you the first trade. Here, you'll see I was actually long before opening range was set. My entry price was 63.62. I was out of the trade at 69 3/4. So this is on 3 accounts. That's why it says 3 trades, and that put me up $730. I'm in as we break and hold above New York VWAP and the overnight lows. We push into the daily VWAP, and then we break opening range high. This is an important key I need you to take from this video. If you trade inside the first 15 minutes of the day, you need to understand that the first break of opening range, which is the high and low set in the first 15 minutes, the first breakout does not usually run. How many amateurs do you know that have traded the opening range breakout, meaning buying this here, and they lose? I can tell you a lot of them do. And that's why, as you can see, I was full out of the trade. I'm looking here and seeing these overnight lows at 63.60 as a bottom, and I'm trading long away from that. Now, as you can see, today we sold off and the market finished the day lower at 63.22. So to make money long today is actually pretty impressive. Here, you can see there's our changeover of day, 1800 last night, 6 o'clock last night. That bottom at 63.60 was what I was trading away from. So my long was right in here on these 15-minute bars. And then I was done. The second trade to make me done was a little scalp here off of previous day VWAP. We sell off, we start to bounce. I get long, I scalp it right into that opening range high, literally for like a minute and 20 seconds. I made sure to get over the 10-second rule. Just a little sprinkle on top. I had like 3 contracts on this instead of my typical 7 or 8. So it's a smaller trade. Even if I lose it, I don't go red on the day, but I'm still able to come in and make some money and add to the P&L on each account. So this was $283 on each account. $283 on each account gets me to my $850 for the day after fees and everything. So those were the 2 trades. Both of them, as you can see, long here for a quick scalp for a minute, and then long here for about 10 minutes. Both of them made me done by 10:15. I was done trading, locked out of my accounts, couldn't make or lose any more money. Happy with that as a day. If I can make about $1,000 a day across all 3 accounts, I'm going to get my payout month over month. That's what I've shown you guys before. I should flex this every video, but I don't show it as much as maybe I should. Here you can see my payout certificate so far from Top One Futures. So far, total take is $13,000. So, hey, if you're listening to this video, you're listening to somebody that can take payouts. If you're struggling to get paid out, I recommend using Top One Futures. The Project X platform is amazing. The lockout feature saves you a ton of issues, a ton of losses, and they have the cheapest instant funded account in the game. You couple that platform, that prop firm, with TradeZella, maybe a little book map, maybe a little live streams with me every day on ASFX TV, and you have a recipe for success, my friends. Now, what other opportunities were there today? If you trade VWAP the way that I do, we would throw a low of day VWAP on there, and you would look ideally for shorts here off of New York VWAP. Why? Well, because sellers have been in control clearly since market open. They take a break, but buyers never step in and make buying structure to send us higher. So when we break back down through the VWAP here, you sell it into that low of day VWAP, which could be making higher lows. So that's why you have to take profit here and get out of the trade. Does it end up coming a little bit lower? Sure. But to be able to come in at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and catch, 42 down to, let's just call it 32, call it 10 to 15 points, that's a great, great afternoon trade without having to predict. You just read and react. Who took control? Sellers clearly took control. Who tried to step back in? The buyers. They fail. We now have structure to trade away from. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, if I'm losing you because I'm going really fast, click in the description to this video. Go watch Futures 101. This is my free course. You don't need to sign up. No credit card, no name, no email, no social security number, nothing. Go in, watch these videos. This will teach you how we trade. And then, like I said, come at the top here, click live streams, and tune in with us. We stream every single day of the week. You can get a 3-day free trial. And if you use the code ASFX, you'll get 50% off your first month as well. Come in, watch the course, get on the streams with us, and you'll catch trades like this, just like we did today. You can see so far this month, things are looking really good. I'm trading 3 50K accounts. I'm up $1,800. To get to the payout, I need to be up $3,000 in each. So this 1,800 basically needs to be $9,000. Once I hit $9,000, I'm taking a $7,500 payout. So I'm paying $290 per account. Let's round it up to 300. I'm spending $900 to make a $7,500 profit. Seems like it's a very reasonable flip, especially if you're a new trader, especially if you're a struggling trader. I would recommend not even doing copy trading. Just do one of these accounts. It's only $290. Your downside is capped, everybody. And then you can work your way towards a $2,500 payout per account. And there's a million prop firms to choose from. You don't have to go with top one futures, but you definitely need to be trading with VWAP. You definitely need to be trading with us on stream. And it all starts with watching Futures 101. I do these videos almost every day. Go to my YouTube channel. You'll see I don't do fluff. I don't do Lambo marketing. I don't do any of that. I just do technical analysis. I want you to see how my mentors taught me. It's a repeatable approach. It's what's going to make you money while other people are razzle and dazzle and flashing you crazy marketing schemes. The VWAP is all you need. A little low a day VWAP, a little high a day VWAP, maybe some overnight daily VWAP, but that's it. It's not that complicated, I promise. So many smart people, so many talented traders are just overthinking. They're overcomplicating this. The reason they do that is because their perception of how they're supposed to handle losses or how many losses they're supposed to take is off. Most of you think you're going to win 80, 90% of the time. You're not. If we look, I'll show you here. I'm doing well right now on these accounts, but they just started. Look at all of my accounts going all the way back to 2023, 67% win rate. That's it. 1.6 profit factor. But look at my streaks. My streaks are crazy. Current streak 4, longest 16-day win streak. Now, that's pretty good. 46-day losing streak or win streak. But I still have losing streaks, 3 days in a row, 36 trades in a row. So it still happens. But you want to balance those out with bigger green days. And that's what we do. So come stream with us. Come hang out on ASFX TV. We're live every single day at Market Open. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next episode, next video, whatever you want to call it.